Love can't be defined by mere words alone. Love is feeling, love is emotion. When you are in love with someone, they are the last person you want to see before you sleep and the first thing you want to see after you wake up. Love is indescribable, overwhelming feeling of warmth you get from another person, and that person is you, Yang. I promise to love you, to take care of you. I love you, Yang. Can't wait to spend the rest of my life.
To Ralph and Rachelle, you can fully appreciate its value when you look at your married life through the eyes of faith. Then you will see that your wedding day or your wedding is not only a one-day event, but as the door to a great adventure that will last the rest of your life. A journey that involves not just you and your spouse, but one that includes God, your children, your community, and all society.
Yum. See you later. Love you.
With a heart of fire, we are the sun, we are the sun. Feel it under the open sky. Hearts beat and we come alive. Oh, we have it all the colors burning bright, everything in golden light. Oh, we have it all. We are the young ones with the heart of fire. We are the sun, we are the sun. We are the young ones with the heart of fire. We are the sun, we are the sun. We are the young ones with the heart of fire. We are the sun, we are.
Roselle, do you take Ralph here present to be your lawful husband according to the right of Holy Mother the Church?
Yes, I do.
Do you give yourself to Ralph as his wife?
Yes, I do.
And do you accept Ralph as your lawful husband?
Yes, I do.
Feel it under the open sky. Hearts beat and we come alive.